Hi guys, and welcome to the video. My name is Paul Greenwood, and in this video we are going to be attempting to design a thumbnail for a YouTube video in the Canva app in under 5 minutes. This is not the first time I've done a video like this with a 5-minute challenge. There's a couple more on my channel. I'll leave a couple of links up in the card now and you can check those videos out. Remember, if you do get something out of this video, guys, smash that like button because it shows these videos to like-minded individuals just like yourself wanting to learn design or YouTube branding and marketing. If you want to support my channel, please hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and you will be alerted when I upload my new videos. Without further ado then, let's put 5 minutes on the timer and let's get into the video, guys. First thing you're going to need to do is to go to Canva, register for an account if you haven't got one already. Once you're inside Canva, you can hit this button at the top right hand side, which is Create Design. In there, if you type in the word YouTube, you will see all sorts of different things that is available for you inside Canva for YouTube. We're going to use the thumbnail one, which is YouTube thumbnail. If you wanted to create a custom size, it's 1280 by 720. Click on that to create your document. To add a picture to our thumbnail design, we're going to drag a picture in. We're going to drag it onto the right hand side, and I'm going to rescale this picture to go right on the right hand side just like this. And next thing we're going to do is add a background color. So click on the background. You see they've got this palette here, and click on that. I'm just going to have it as like a black grey color or a blue that kind of matches the image. What I would like to do next is add my logo. So I'm going to add my logo down at the bottom here. Just drag that in, resize that using the corner. I've got that at the bottom now. Somewhere around there works for me. Next thing I'm going to do is to add some text to this thumbnail, and I think this video thumbnail should be about some kind of business tips or strategy tips. I'm sat in a very business-like pose with my book ready to share some tips that I may have been working on. So I'm just going to get the text tool, click on that. I'm going to click add a header. Once I've got that, I'm going to change the font by using this drop down menu, and I like to use Glacial Indifference because it's quite close to my brand font. I'm going to drag that over. I'm going to start adding the text now. So now we've got that first bit done. We've got the image added, we've got the text added as well in the font that we want, a nice block of colour and the logo. I'm going to go ahead now and adjust my text to how I want it. It's going to be some kind of business tips for new business owners or how to grow your business online. I'm going to go ahead now and just breeze through this and get the text exactly how I want it by just playing around until it kind of looks and fits with the brand. So there we have a simple YouTube thumbnail designed in Canva, but I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to continue working with this file, and I'm going to add a few different variations and add some different images and text and show you how you can turn this into a template so you can easily access it and use it over and over again to speed up your process of publishing videos on YouTube. So we're back in Canva, and here we have the file that we've been working on. We're going to duplicate this by using this duplicate page button here. We're going to work on this next design. I'm going to delete this image here and drag in a new one. Here's a new image. Put that on the right hand side. I'm just going to make that bigger. I'm going to send that to back. And as you can see there, I've got a new image with my face on. We make that a little bit bigger than that. That's kind of in line with the other one. Be bigger or smaller, doesn't matter. Whatever fits with your image so it doesn't look daft. Okay, I can also then change these bits here, so we could have some branding tips instead. So branding. And I'm just going to add a different video title. Just these boxes. Got to fill in that title, how to grow your brand online. Change the shape of these boxes a little bit. Doesn't really work with the image there, but then that works over there, you see. Now that's our second one done. I'm going to create a third by hitting duplicate page. I'm going to delete that image there. Add this new image in here. Just going to use these sliders on the side and press shift to bring that in. Once I've pressed shift, it allows me to change the boundary box. To scale it up, I'm just going to use the bottom corner there. And then I'm going to send this image to back. And then adjust the size accordingly until I think it has got a decent look to it. Maybe even bring that in slightly more. Make it bigger. I'm going to change the text on this last thumbnail here. It's going to be a YouTube video, so YouTube tips. My top 5 secrets to YouTube success. Just these boxes. And there you have a third and final thumbnail ready to be exported by pressing download as a PNG file ready for your YouTube video. So there you have some YouTube thumbnails designed in Canva. But if you are starting out, what I would highly recommend is just opening up Canva and using some of the templates that they have in place already. Tweak them to your brand by changing them to your brand fonts, your brand colors, and try and just balance out the image and the text and make a clear focus for what the video is about. So if it's a product shot, use a product within the image and in the thumbnail. And if it's you doing some sort of tutorial, have a picture of your face. Maybe if you're doing a vlog and there's a place that you go to, use some of the imagery and take some photographs while you're out on that vlog and include them in your thumbnail as well. That's just about it from this video, guys. If you want to see more videos just like this one, I'll leave a couple of videos up in the card now in a playlist. Go check that out. There's some helpful how-tos, some YouTube video tutorials, and some other design tutorials as well. So go have a look at the card now. They'll also be in the first link in the description as well. There'll be some links similar to this video to help you on your YouTube journey. If you got something out of this video, remember to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications if that's what you like doing. I'll look forward to seeing you in some of my other videos, guys. Thanks for watching this one. I'll see you soon. Hi guys, and welcome to the video. My name's Paul Greenwood, and in today's video we are going to be creating a thumbnail in under 5 minutes in the free. Hi guys, and welcome to the video. In today's video, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications and all that jazz, and so go ahead and check out that video. If you want to see more videos just like this, I will lead a video. Kind of is a lead, isn't it?